In primetime news this evening, how the teacher migration is affecting the school for the deaf.
Indicom reacts to National Security Minister's shoot-to-kill remarks.
And later, father and child killed in Central Avenue. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. Jamaica spent more money on imports up to the end of May. I'll tell you how much and why there was a decline in export earnings in the financial week.
Thanks, Jordan, and thanks, Javon. From Javon, we go to Jordan. He has what's coming up in sports.
Well, Herman, the Reggae Boys have unveiled their new head coach, and he has made a surprise selection for the squad. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Friday.
The drama never ends. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, do you agree with Lieutenant General Rocky Mead's decision to decline the Cabinet Secretary appointment? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam 1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.